welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title that in this video I'm just gonna swatch some new shades for Smudge Me Not Sugar's matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and I love them. I love matte lipsticks. You guys already know by now. So without wasting any time, go and see these swatches quickly and I will see you guys soon. So the first shade is 21 Aubergine Queen. It's a blackened burgundy color.
I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to.
The second color is number 22 Mia Sangria, and this is a purplish pink color. It has some red undertones to it.
Heart is getting better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that's where the heart is.
The next shade is 23 Mary Berry. It's a medium dark plum color.
Home where the heart is. The endless journey, I need not worry, I'll get where.
The next color is 24 Vivid Orchid. It's a very pretty lavender, bright lavender purple color. Looks really pretty and it's quite unique as well.
Open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never knowing.
The next shade is number 25 Very Mulberry. It's a berry color shade with some red tones and it's very deep and it would look beautiful on deeper skin tones.
Heart is.
The next shade is a 26 Rose Repose. It's a very pretty peachish nude color, more of a peach pink rose color. Looks beautiful. It's also one of my favorite color. The next shade is 27 Brown Crown. It is a blackened plumish brown kind of a color and it also has some satin finish to it, unlike other matte colors.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines.
Then there is number 28 Trusty Rusty. It is a red color with some rusty color, like rusty undertone, and this is how it looks.
I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone.
Then we have number 29 Scarlet Starlet, and this is a red with some orange undertones and it looks beautiful.
Moving to better days, but I know that's where the heart is.
And the last one is number 30 Peony Genie, and it is a pink shade. It's a pretty warm undertoned pink shade. Really pretty.
The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing.
So I'm back and I hope you liked these swatches. I loved all the colors. They also have some really nice, different, unique colors, like the purple one that was Vivid Orchid. I loved that color. Like, it was so unique. You normally don't get these kind of colors in the market, and I loved the color range. I also loved their nude shade that was Rose Repose. Loved that color. And yeah, so let's come to the review. As you can see from the packaging, it comes in a cardboard box, and the amount of product you're getting in one product is 4.5 ml, and one lipstick retails for 499 Indian rupees. For 4.5 ml, I think 500 rupees, a little bit expensive, but the quality of lipsticks are amazing. They dry matte, they are long wearing, they can easily stay on your lips up to like 7 to 8 hours. You might need a little touch up because they tend to, you know, lose the pigmentation from center of the lip. At least for me, I feel there is a need to touch up, because whenever I eat something or you know, especially oily foods, some of the lipstick come off, especially at the center of my lips, so I need to retouch at the center of my lips. And otherwise, lipstick is amazing. They are a bit drying, but if you take good care of your lips, exfoliate them and apply a lip balm before, and then they are quite good. They're not as hydrating as the suede lipstick which they launched recently. They are a bit drier than those, but I love matte lipsticks and I love wearing them out, so for me they're very, very good. Yeah, so that was it for the review and swatches, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.
These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning.